Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurting. A quieter taste, you know you need me. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it, nah. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain.
This how-to video is how to clean out your vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to turn you around. Yeah, that's my car. Don't judge me. Yep. We're going to clean this sucker out. Okay? So I'm going to tell you what are some of the things that you need to clean your car out. So hold on. We'll be right back. How to what? How to clean out your vehicle. So we're going to clean out our vehicle, and I'm going to give you some steps and some items and some things that I use to clean out my car. So stay tuned. Here are some items that I use to clean out my vehicle, and I will go through them one by one so you can see what I use. You can use whatever you want, but this is what I'm using. So some things that I use. First, garbage bags, and you can get most of this stuff from the dollar store. We have the garbage bags. We have the cleaning cloth. We have the Armour oil. So this one is the disinfectant. And this one here is the multi-purpose that you can use for cleaning everything in your vehicle. Next, we have wheel spray, which I did not get. I forgot. Air Freshener. I like the vanilla. We also have the car vacuum cleaner. You can buy these, believe it or not, at the dollar store. They now have $5 items, and that is where I got this one from. So as you see, this is it. $5. And also some Windex, which I'm just using some window cleaner that you put in the front of the car, but you could use regular Windex because we want to clean the windows. And then I have a switch broom. Some of you may not have heard of that, but this is good to clean the seats and get everything off. So hold on, and we will be right back with starting the process of cleaning out your vehicle. How to. We're starting with first is the garbage bag, right? So we're going to open that and put it on the side, but we're going to clean out the seat first with the switch broom. So that just gets all the particles out of the seat. And this really works so good, y'all. So good. So as you're sweeping all that on the floor or the rug, when you use the vacuum cleaner, then you can use all that to suck it up. Then you go to the door. If you have any trash like I do all the time in my door, we're going to take all that out. We're going to put it in the actual garbage bag. You're going to do that for all 4 doors, right? So then you'll dump that on the floor, and then you'll go to the other side and do the next seat. So hold on. So if you're like me, again, you have trash all in your doorknobs, papers, stickers, not stickers, receipts, straws, old water, and then you're just going to clean out the other seat. And this really gets in the nooks and the crevices. I love using this switch broom. I love this one. You saw it before picture, so you will see the after when I finish, right? So now we're going to go to the back seat. The same thing. You're just going to take the switch broom and you're just going to switch everything on the floor. You're going to get in that crevice. And I love this switch broom. Like I'm telling you, if you got any grandkids and they eat in your car, which you don't want them to, but it really does clean it all off, y'all. It really does. Now we're going to go to the other side. I'm just going to... Okay. And if you can see this, this really, and I tell you, it really does it. I love this. Love this switch broom. So as you're pushing everything on the floor, when you do the vacuum, right, it's going to get up everything. And this little vacuum works really good. I've tried it already. So, you see I got everything in here. Money, everything. Pens. Child, don't judge me. We got everything in here. Bobby pins, earrings, you name it, it's in here, baby. Look, we got string from our pom-poms. We got everything. So again, you just sweep all that on the floor. Put the pins back in there. That. And now we're going to do the vacuum cleaner in 1 minute. Before we do that, we're going to take this and put some Windex on it. And we're going to clean the window. Now, I did have a thing that used to clean it like this. But, of course, I can't find it. But we'll just do this. And what you do is just clean the inside of the window. And that other stuff is on the outside. So don't pay that no mind. Right? So you just clean your windows. That's all. So you can have a good view. And again, you can use Windex or windshield washer fluid. I'm using windshield washer fluid because it's for the windshield. Right? And then I have the Armour that we're going to do this here with. So give me a second. Let me find it. Oh, here it goes. Right here in my face. So that's the disinfectant to make the car smell good. This one here is air freshening multi-purpose cleaner. And you can clean like the steering wheel with it. You spray a little bit on it. And it just makes it look shiny and new. That's all. That's all it's doing. Right? Getting out the dust particles. Cleaning the dashboard, the door, the knobs, radio knobs, the shift gear. The part where you put the sodas, the little cup holders, because you know that always gets sticky and wet. And you drop a little coffee and tea and all that in there, as I do. Y'all know we do Dunkin' Donuts in the morning. So we're just gonna clean that. Clean inside of the dashboard. Underneath. Swiping it down. Making your car look cute. That's all, y'all. Giving it a good wipe down. Clean out your cup holders and all that good stuff. Alright, we'll be right back. This is by Acceleries. It's a portable car vacuum cleaner, high power for strong suction. This is not a sponsored video, but again, I brought this from the dollar store for $5. And it comes with several different parts. It comes with that long nozzle that comes off. It comes with this, the little brush. And then there's another little brush, which I have no idea what that's supposed to do. If you know, drop it in the comments, because I don't know what that's supposed to do. And it comes in plastic and all that. So I've actually used this before, and it works really, really good. So I'm going to see if I can move you guys up here. And then put it down so you can see. All right. So if you see here, the floor is really pretty dirty. Okay? Really dirty. Yep, don't judge me. Don't judge me. But with my little vacuum cleaner, boo, watch what it does. Okay, let's see. It actually has a little suction there. And it really does work, y'all. It really does work. I love it. You can take it off and use the other one, the big nozzle. But it depends on, like, you want to get in the crevices, you want to use the smaller one so it could get in between, right? Or you could take it off and just use that part. And again, don't forget you have the switch broom that can help you also. Get all the little rock salt. I'm telling you, y'all, this little thing works. Now, the only thing that I would say is bad about it is that you do have to take this off and clean it maybe every 10 minutes because the little suction is not as large, so you will have to clean that off. So I'm going to show you how it looks, but give me a second. Let me get the garbage bag so it don't fall all over my car. Right? So when you open it up, do you see all that junk and gook that fell out of it? You just clean off of this. so you can get more fresh air. You can take that off. It's like the filter, that's all. Right? So you want to make sure that all that stuff is out of it. You see the stuff coming out. See? You want to get that out. You can use gloves. I didn't use gloves this time, but whatever. Right? You put it back on. And you get back to work. And it really works, y'all. Okay? So I'm going to take this out easy because I don't want to spill it in my car. And then I'm going to use this one now. I think it goes like this. Goes this way or one of the ways? One of the ways, I don't know. Oh, this way. It must go that way. Because that bends. Okay, I'm lying. Okay, I'm lying. It's not working. But one of these ways it go in, right? So let's try that way. Let's see if it don't come on. Yeah, it's sucking up a little bit. I'd rather not use that. Works better without it. I should have showed you guys a before and after, but I'm just going to show you how clean it got. Look. It really did clean it, y'all. It really did. It may not look like it, but it did. I'm telling you it did. I wouldn't tell you anything. So we're going to do the other side, which is over there. I'm going to come around. Give me a second. All right. So, let me put you down closer so you can see. Can you see that? Now watch. It really is sucking it up, y'all. This side is not as dirty, and I didn't take the rug off, so nobody really sits on this side of my car. It's my side that gets dirty. So I'm going to sit y'all there. Get up under the seat. Like, y'all, it's really sucking up. Just like some people do. Yeah, that was a dig. Alright, hold on, y'all. Section here. And I'm going to show you. Now look, y'all. Look. Y'all see how clean that got? Like literally. Alright. That, my dear, is the final and end of how to clean out your car. Nice and clean. See you in the next video of how to. Stay tuned.